People love PGP. It's secure, unbreakable, bulletproof crypto magic. Except, none of it matters if you start with the wrong key. PGP will happily tell you, yes, this malware is perfectly signed. This is where humans mess it up. They download keys off what they think is the developer's website. Great, verified, they say. Nope, you just verified someone's key. It could be the dev, or it could be a hacker with free Wi-Fi and a fake GitHub. Even digital verification, email, video calls, forums, could be compromised too. The only way to know that you've got the right key is to verify in person. Face to face. You know, real life. Like a clandestine spy novel meeting, except everyone smells like energy drinks. If a developer hands you their key fingerprint directly, you can trust it. If you got it any other way, you're gambling with security. Here's the right way to do it. Meet the dev in person. Write their fingerprint down from their laptop, or even better, ask them for a fingerprint card to take with you. Then you can sign their key in your PGP client. Now others who trust you can trust them. That's the mythical web of trust that nobody actually uses. Can't travel? Find someone you trust who's verified the dev in person. Verify their key in person, then rely on that chain of trust. It's not perfect, but it's the next best thing. There's no shortcut. PGP is only as strong as its trust. Either verify in person or risk a state-sponsored surprise package. PGP isn't broken. Your trust chain is. This video is part of a larger series on how Bitcoin may be in jeopardy and how you can run Bitcoin knots to help save the day. The videos are in the description. I'll be making more videos on this topic, so subscribe if you'd like to see them.